You want to visit many famous places in a city. What activity is this? Is it A, sightseeing, B, flight, C, luggage, or D, taxi?
Hi everyone, welcome to Lingo Ladder. This video has 3 parts. First, we'll learn 15 new travel words. Second, we'll test you with a fun quiz. And third, you'll listen to a short story using all the words. Let's go!
On. Trip is a short journey, usually for fun. 2. Journey is traveling from one place to another. 3. Travel is the act of going to different places. 4. Ticket is a paper or digital pass to travel. 5. Hotel is a place where you stay when traveling. 6. Airport is place where planes take off and land. 7. Luggage is bags you carry when you travel. 8. Suitcase is a hard or soft bag for clothes. 9. Flight is a trip by airplane. 10. Passport is an official document to travel between countries. 11. Map is a drawing of places and roads. 12. Guide is someone who shows you around. 13. Tour is a planned trip to see places. 14. Bus is a large vehicle for public travel. 15. Taxi is a car you pay to drive you.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go! Correct answer is passport. Correct answer is trip. Correct answer is airport. Correct answer is suitcase. Correct answer is ticket. Correct answer is sightseeing. Correct answer is taxi. Correct answer is hotel. Correct answer is map. Correct answer is tour. Correct answer is journey. Correct answer is travel. Correct answer is luggage. correct answer is flight. Correct answer is guide. Awesome! Great job! Now let's go to part 3, the short story. We'll use the words we've just learned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Ready? Let's go!
Last weekend, Anna planned a trip with her family. They wanted to go on a short journey to a beautiful city. Before they could travel, Anna bought a ticket online. They packed their clothes into a suitcase and prepared their passport. At the airport, they waited for their flight. When they arrived at the hotel, a friendly guide gave them a map of the city. They decided to go on a tour to see the best places. Sometimes they took a bus, and sometimes they called a taxi to move around. Anna loved carrying her small luggage because it was light and easy. At the end of the weekend, the family was happy they had such a fun trip.
Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon!